loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a 2-in-1 wig review. So if you guys want all of these, then make sure you guys stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
So you guys should have just saw a quick unboxing of the 2 units that I'm going to review for you guys. Both of these units are courtesy of Sam's Beauty. They were kind enough to send your girl these units as well as a human hair unit and some human hair bundles. So I'm going to review those at a later date. But yeah, today it's all about the synthetic units. So the first unit you should have just saw was from SENSATIONNEL. It is from their SHEAR MUSE line, and it's an Empress lace parting wig, and it's in the style Zion, and it's in the color Copper Ombre. And so this is what the stock card looks like. Oh, did I forget to mention, y'all, yes, I do have a new background because it is my birthday month. You know, my birthday will be here right around the corner. I decided to change it up for you guys. Now, I'm not quite sure if I'm loving it. Like, I love pink, but I'm not sure how it's looking on camera, and so until I get into the editing stages, we'll determine if I keep this background or if I go back to Old Faithful. So you guys just let me know what you guys feel about this background. Now back to this review. And so yeah, this is the unit. As you guys saw, I do have it in the Copper Ombre color. My personal thoughts about this unit is I'm actually pretty sad that I don't love this unit. I love the cut on the unit as well as the style, but I hate the fact that the parting is on the left side of my head and not on my right side, because that's where I prefer my parting. And sometimes I can try to pull it off, but this unit I just wasn't feeling it. So yeah, that was pretty much my personal thoughts about this unit, but I do think that the Copper Ombre color is absolutely gorgeous, as well as this color that the model is rocking, which it doesn't tell me. Yeah, it doesn't say which unit. Oh, it says she's wearing denim ombre. So if you guys want to know, that is the color that the model is rocking. It does say that you can use heat on it, safe up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees. And it does have a deep hand-tie lace parting. So pretty much all that I did was put powder in the parting space. I didn't have to cut any lace off, so I love when the units come like that. But my overall thought is somebody that likes their parting on the left side will absolutely probably love this unit. Me, not so much. So the next unit I'm going to review is the unit that I'm currently rocking right now. This unit is courtesy of SENSATIONNEL again. So this is actually a SENSATIONNEL wig review. And so this is their Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber. It's in the style Morgan. And it's in the color Flamboyage Gold. I believe that's what it is. Flamboyage? Flamboyage. Maybe I just like saying it like that. But yeah, it's a Flamboyage Gold. It is heat safe up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees. And it also comes with a natural density hairline. And so that is what you see right here. So when you open up the style card, it gives you more information about this unit. So basically it just says it's customized 100% hand tie and pre-plucked to create a realistic and natural density illusion hairline. It says it's undetectable. It has translucent Swiss lace for a seamless hairline and natural parting right out of the box. And then it says it's well crafted. Soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. So it is a 13 by 6 inch ear to ear lace unit with a 6 inch deep hand tie part. I'm assuming that means hand tie part, which means you can part it from here to 6 inches back. My own personal thoughts about this unit is I absolutely love the concept of this unit, and I think that for a synthetic unit, yeah, so it is a synthetic unit, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. But I feel like it's just not blowing up my skirt, and I don't know why. I do love the color. Maybe if the unit was maybe a different style, maybe curls or something, I don't know, I would love it a little bit more. But I do love the hairline. My only concern about the hairline is when the hairline is like this, you have to use some type of adhesive to keep the unit down. And so usually I wear my wig grip, and I had to take my wig grip off, but I don't want to glue it. One, because I'm reviewing a couple of units, but yeah, that's my only concern. I don't typically glue down my synthetic units. And when I say glue, I actually mean got to be freeze. I only got to be freeze my human hair units. And so yeah, for me, this just wouldn't be ideal. If I'm going to secure something on my head, it's going to be human, okay? But I do love the hairline. I do think that it looks absolutely gorgeous. I did have to use some of my powder because that translucent, lace wasn't cutting it for your girl. It looked ashy looking, and so I definitely had to put some, you know, brown powder or whatever so that it can blend in with my skin tone. And so yeah, my overall thoughts about the unit is I think that it's a gorgeous unit. It definitely gives me like preppy girl vibes. I don't know if it's the highlights or just how the unit looks. I definitely like this unit better than the first unit, and so this would be my favorite. But you guys let me know which one is your favorite. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys are thinking, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.